Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a sleep timer on your XIAOMI Smart L1. A sleep timer can be set so your device will automatically turn itself off after a certain time. If you're, for example, watching a movie and going to sleep, then it'll turn itself off after some time. To do it, click on the settings on your button, or settings button on your remote, then go to all settings and now go to system. Then you'll find power and energy and find power settings. Then find sleep timer and you can set it to off or a certain amount of minutes up to 120 minutes. You can also set a switch off timer, which is quite similar here, basically. And also you can set up auto sleep. Auto sleep is the sleep timer and switch off timer are timers that are set once, and once it works, once it's effective, it switches itself off back to off, so the timer doesn't work anymore once you turn the device on again. But the auto sleep timer is set forever until you change it, right? And it's just the time of inactivity on the remote. If you don't press on anything on the remote for a certain amount of time, like 4, 6 or 8 hours, then this is the time after which the device will turn itself off. Of course, before that, it'll give you an alert that you have about a minute to press on any button on the remote just to keep your device not from going to sleep. You can also set auto sleep to never if you don't want it to turn itself automatically off. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.